kitchen. Today's Noel Miller's 30th birthday. He's old. For his birthday, I decided to make a cake. And as you can see, I chose rainbow bit cakes because...
Sugar gay?
Yeah. So first you're going to preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Now you're going to open up your package. This is a Betty Crocker cake, so if you can't follow the instructions on the back, there's something wrong with you. All you have to do is just do what it tells you to do. So put in a cup of milk, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. That's it. Now you can either mix it with a spoon or just put it in an electric mixer. And that's what I'm going to do. While that's going, I'm going to grease up the pan. And now we wait. She beeped. She's ready. Okay, so these are 2 9-inch pans. So that means that I have to put them in for 24 to 29 minutes. I'm going to put them for 27 and call it a day. It has been brought to my attention that today is not only Noel Miller's birthday, but it is also Charlie's birthday. Charlie is Sophia's dog. I'm going to be making a cake for Sophia's dog. Happy birthday, everyone. Okay, these are my 2 cakes, and they are piping hot, so I cannot ice them just yet. So I'm just going to put icing all over it. Now that I have a base layer, I'm going to make it have little designs. So I'm just going to fill up a tube with some icing. I may as well do them both at the same time. Now that they're both perfectly iced, I'm going to do little tufts. Now I'm going to actually write on the cakes. For Charlie, I'm going to make it red. And for Noel, I'm going to make it blue. This is Charlie's cake. This is Noel's cake. Now I'm just going to get some little sprinkles, make everything look pretty. Okay, now I'm going to try the cake. That's Betty Crocker. Delicious. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.